Hello all, welcome to Tech Messages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google search to find jobs effectively. If you're looking for how to search jobs on Google, then this video is for you. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my latest videos. As the stage has been set, let's get started. So to search jobs on Google effectively, just head over to Google and search for the jobs which you want to find, like web designer jobs, and hit enter. Now if you scroll down, Google shows the search results like jobs near Hyderabad, which is my current location, and with all the web designer jobs. If you see it clearly, it shows web designer, the company which provides this job, as well as the location where it is available, and it also shows from which location the Google has picked this job. It shows like via LinkedIn, via Click India, again via LinkedIn. So these jobs are being fetched by Google from various job portal websites, and it is displayed over here. If you look at the job, it has a lot of filters like the location, or the type of the job, full-time or part-time, or the number of days from which this job has been posted, and many more. If you want to apply more filters, just click on this arrow one more time and click on more filters. It takes you to a separate web page where it shows all the filters as well as the jobs which we have seen in the search result. If you scroll down, it has a lot of jobs. If you want to find particular job at particular type of job and particular location, you can look at the filters which are applied at the top. As of now, there are no filters applied, and the filter applied is only all. If you want, you can click for something like senior designer, and the location where you want to find the job for. Let me go for location, and it shows the radius from the location where you are right now. Let me go for some 300 kilometers and go for date posted, and let me go for the jobs which are posted only for the past week, and go for type, and let me go for full time. And you could see here the number of filters being applied over here. It shows the 4 filters applied right now, and go for company type and let it be for computer services. And for employer, it shows what are all the employers which are providing these job opportunities. So let me go for Walking Tree Technologies, and if you see, I've applied 6 filters and it's showing me this job over here. So based on my filters, it is only one job available in Hyderabad. And if you want to go for some other location, or if you want to search for the web designer jobs in some other location, just go for this top search bar and let me look for web designer jobs in Newark, and hit enter. Now if you look here, it has fetched all the web designer jobs in Newark. And if you look at any of the job, let me go for the ZipRecruiter, and if you see web designer and developer, and it shows various locations or various websites where you can apply the job directly. So if you click on any of this apply button, it takes you to those websites, and you can apply job from those websites to this company directly using Google. If you want, you can click on save so that you can revisit it later. And if you click on this saved, you could see that it has saved one job, and this is the job which you have saved so that you can visit it later on. And if you go for alerts, it will let you know what are all the alerts you have maintained, and there is no alerts. So let me go for jobs again, and if you look at here, it shows turn on email alerts for this search. So if there are any future posts in Google regarding the job opportunities which you have looked or which you have searched previously, just enable it, and it says that they will send you daily to this email regarding any job alerts. So if you go to alerts again, it shows these are the search criteria for which you have enabled the alert for the Google to send you emails every day regarding this job. And if you want, you can change the frequency of mails like daily or instantly or weekly. So this is the best way to search jobs on Google, to use Google efficiently. So hope you find this video useful. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video, and if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.